So this is just a little quick stir one for today. Oh, look, my cat! I found my cat. So I've been watching a lot of Lost recently, and I found out today, well not found it, I guess realized today, that my dishwasher door sounds a lot like the beginning noise that would be in place of a theme song for Lost. Like, you know how they play that bit, and then they show, like, Lost, and it, like, fades in, and, oh my gosh, and it, like, fades in with that, like, noise, kind of. That was a really bad impersonation. But yeah, my dishwasher door does that, and I'm here to show you. Ignore the dirty dishes, just listen. It's a Lost dishwasher.